Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video I'll be showing you how to create a strong and secure password that you can be able to use for your Google account, your Facebook account, your Twitter, your TikTok, Gmail account, whatever account you're creating. This is how you can be able to create a strong and secure password to prevent your account from being hacked. So guys, let's quickly dive into the tutorial. In order for you to create a strong and secure account, first, these are the features your password need to have. First, your password needs to be up to 8 characters, and secondly, it needs to have an uppercase and a lowercase. Thirdly, your password needs to have a symbol in it. For example, let's try to create a password now. Let me go by this. This is an uppercase. You can use maybe your first name and your last name, uppercase and lowercase. You can use any symbol. For example, let me go with this symbol, @ Then you make sure you add in numbers to it. You can add your mobile number. You can just add mobile number like this. For example, this is a secured and safe password that you can use to create any account. With this password, let me tell you why this password cannot be hacked. If you should put this password in an hacking software, this symbol cannot be read, because no symbol can be read using an hacking software. That is the main reason why you need to insert symbol in your password. With this symbol now, your password is very secure, and with this lowercase and uppercase, the hacking software cannot detect the case you are using for the password. So guys, that is it on how to create a secure and strong password that you can use in creating any account. I believe the tutorial is helpful. If it is, kindly give me a thumbs up by liking the video, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I'll see you guys in my next video.